One of my favorite things is when my customers trust me with artistic freedom. I had a customer not that long ago, probably about 5 years ago, where I'm going back and forth with the husband on where to put lights, and it really came down to budget for him. Finally, his wife, who's an artist, came out and she said, "We just leave Patrick alone and let him do his thing and just write a check at the end." And we were able to create just this beautiful area where it's looked wonderful. It was everything he ever dreamt it would be, and it was so much fun. Like, that's really what I like about lighting. At this point, 25 years into it, coming out and putting a couple path lights on and lighting up some trees isn't too exciting. But when I have that creative, artistic license to think outside the box and try something new, that's where I find passion. And so that's what I look for in projects. And every once in a while I'll have customers, I say, I really want to do this project for my own self more than anything else. I want to see if I could create the image that I believe we can create with lighting and create that feeling with lighting. So that's where I have the most fun. I've heard and talked to people I've worked with that they start seeing the same passion I have, where they start becoming designers. So there's always a balance as we're trying to build our companies up. There's the production side of things. I can't spend 3 days staring up at a tree and just dreaming about how it's going to look, because I have to make money and have guys working and everything. And then the other side of it is the artistic and beautiful side. So it's always a balance of time and energy. I always say, like, I can do anything you want in lighting, it's just time and money, and both of those are limited. But when I work with people and when I've watched some of the people that I've seen grow, it's one of the most exciting things. It's one thing that I feed a lot on, is just seeing somebody where they start to develop their skill set, their artistic skill set in lighting, and then they see their business grow because they go from just cookie cutter production to creating something beautiful, and people are willing to pay more for the artistic beauty. It really enhances their business, and it gives them kind of a renewed passion versus just get in and out and throw jobs in. And that's one of the fun things that we've gotten to work with and I've seen in our roles.